Hi, I'm Trish Taylor and I'm a practitioner of neuro-linguistic programming, and I was thinking about how I could be helpful in this difficult time, and I realised that one of the big things that people keep recommending is that we don't touch our face. And I realised how difficult that is because it's a habit, and it's an unconscious habit for the most part. When we are touching our face, we're not thinking, oh, I'm just going to touch my face now. It's something that we've developed as a habit, and we've now become aware that it's not a healthy habit. So I thought a really good technique would be what we call a swish pattern. Now, if you're unfamiliar with NLP, don't worry, just go along with it. And I am also learning along with you because I don't use this technique normally for this issue because I've never really thought about it before. But the more I've thought recently, this would be perfect to actually let go of that bad habit of touching our face. Now, if I touch my face while I'm watching this video, I'll be honest and say I'm practicing this now, and I have allergies today, so I'm trying not to touch my eyes or my nose, and it is a bad habit. They say that we touch our face 2,000 times a day. I think I'm probably more like 10. So I'm going to learn along with you because this is a technique that I do with you. So after we've recorded the video, you can replay it and then do it along with me, and I'm going to be doing it along with myself so I can actually train my unconscious mind so that I have better habits. So what we're going to be thinking about is the unwanted state, which is touching our face, doing whatever we do. Sometimes I've seen myself in pictures, I've maybe leaned on my face, and you know, it's a habit. So that's the unwanted state, and the wanted state, or the desired new state, is what I would say maybe having our hands by our side, my hands on my lap, wherever it is that's away from here. Okay, so there's a number of steps to this process, so I'm going to walk you through them, and I'm going to refer to my notes so that I don't miss anything. And you see, my hair is annoying me already, so I'm very aware now that I'm not going to touch it. So are you ready? So the first question is it okay with your unconscious mind for you to let go of this habit today and for you to be aware of it consciously? Yeah, good. Okay, so first of all, let's get the unwanted state. We're going to also refer to this as the old picture. So what is it? What does it look like to you when you actually are imagining yourself when you touch your face? What do you normally touch? I mean, do you touch your nose? Do you touch your mouth? I scratch my eyes sometimes. So think about that, and do you have a picture? Good. Okay, and then I just have to clear the screen a little bit because we have to do a little bit of a change around here. Okay, now I want you to get what we call the desired state, or the new picture. Okay, so how do you want to feel? What do you want to do? So maybe close your eyes a moment. Okay, close your eyes and imagine yourself no tickles, completely calm, completely relaxed, feeling good with your hands in the place where you want them to be and staying there rather than drifting where they shouldn't be. Okay, so step into your body looking through your own eyes and get that picture. Okay, and make it more real for you. So maybe there are some additional behaviors that you would want to add in with it. How do you want to feel? Do you want to feel relaxed? Do you want to feel motivated? Just imagine the best way you can possibly be in that picture with your hands exactly where you want them to be. Okay, and make it bigger, brighter, more powerful, more real, more realistic for you and for your life right now. Good. Now step out of the picture. Okay, can you hear my birds? They're screaming at me. Oh, they've just all flown away. They were having a bird bath. Okay, so now I want you to bring back the old picture, and we're now moving into the actual technique, which might feel a bit weird to you, but I promise you it's really effective. I've used it for lots of different things. So this is a swish pattern. So bring back the old picture and step into that picture. So you're in the picture, the old, you know, that one that was doing all that business. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is you're in the old picture And the new picture we're going to place just down here. The new picture is the new you that you want to, the new behavior. And what we're going to be doing in a moment is I'm going to do a technique where I'm going to swish the new picture into the old picture, obliterating the old picture and the old behavior, and creating a new unconscious feeling that's going to move into your consciousness. I know it's a little confusing, but it works when I do it with you. So we've got the old picture that you're in, the old you that used to touch your face, and then we've got the new relaxed calm person with their hands where they should be down here. And I'm going to run through the process with you in just a second. So you're in the picture, old pictures here, new pictures down here. Imagine it being a tiny little dark coloured picture at the moment, but in a few minutes we're going to make it bigger, brighter, more colourful, and it's going to blow the old one out of the sky. Okay, so I want you to close your eyes, okay, and then open your eyes, and when I say swish, we're going to imagine the new picture becoming bigger and brighter and blowing the old one out of the sky. You ready? 3, 2, 1, swish. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Again. 3, 2, 1, swish. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. 3, 2, 1, swish. So just reminding you, the old picture is here and the new picture, the new behavior is here, and we're imagining and we're seeing it in our mind's eye like this. Okay, so close your eyes, open your eyes, 3, 2, 1, swish. Close your eyes, open your eyes, 3, 2, 1, swish. Close your eyes, open your eyes, 3, 2, 1, swish. And that is a swish pattern. So come back to me. Okay, now of course somebody's going to come at the door in a moment, so let me ask you, how do you feel right now? How do you feel about that old pattern and that old behavior? Can you hear the birds singing? And how do you feel about your future and the way you feel about touching your face? Or maybe you want to keep your hands down by your side.